Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can fix Zelle app error A106. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Check your internet speed. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. To check this, open your web browser and search for Internet Speed Test. Open any of the suitable website and tap Go to start the test. Zelle generally works best with at least 5 megabits per second download and upload speeds. If your speed is lower than that, try switching to another Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Step 2. Update the Zelle app. Now go to the Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. In the search bar, type Zelle, and if you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. Keeping your app updated helps fix known bugs and improves performance. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. If the error still appears, go to your phone's settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Select Manage Apps. This may vary depending on your device. Now, if you don't have Zelle installed, or just for demonstration, open any random app. I'll open one as an example. Tap the app, then go to Storage and select Clear Cache. This clears temporary files that might be causing the error. Step 4. Reinstall the app. If clearing cache doesn't work, go back to Settings Apps, tap on Zelle, and choose Uninstall. After that, reinstall the app from the Play Store. This ensures you have a clean installation without any corrupted files.